Hey guys, welcome to the Power BI Pro Tips by Tejas. So in the today's video, let us see how to create a traffic light indicator in a table visual in a Power BI report. So let us go ahead and dive into the Power BI desktop. And now let us open a sample Power BI report. Let's go to the data view and see what we have got. So we basically have various order ID for different order dates of the products. We have the shipping date, we have the order date, we have the shipping mode, and we have various customer details, the segment information, various cities, various states, various countries, region, products and product category, and product subcategory, and product names, sales, quantity, discount, profits, and so on. So let us go to the report view. In addition to that, we also have a standard date table. And if you go to the model view, we have a relationship between the order date and the date field in a date table. So let us go to the report view. So here, four slices, they are country, category, product, and segment. So we basically have four slices over here, and the countries are plenty: Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, and so on. And we also have a date slider. And the KPIs are profits, quantity, and discounts. And in the table visual, we have total sales with respect to various countries as present in the dataset. So our main objective is to create a traffic light indicator over here. In order to do that, we need to create a calculated column as follows. Let us go ahead and right click and create a calculated column called as KPI light indicator. Here I am going to use a unichar function. A unichar function is basically a text-based function in a Power BI that consists of encoded value, and it describes the information based on the encoded value. For example, here we have 11044. So 11044 basically gives us a circular shaped value as shown. I'll just show you right away. Let's click on the table. So 11044 specifically gives us the circular shaped indicator. So we basically have each and every field with the same color. So but our objective is to show this circular KPI in the form of a traffic light indicator. In order to do that, we go to the KPI light indicator and perform right click and go to conditional formatting, and over here let us go to font color. So here we have basically four different parameters saying, like, the format style, rules, gradient, and field value. So we click on rules as I am interested to give various conditions on which I would want different colors that indicate the KPI. So I am selecting rules over here. So let us give it values, and here they are asking on what field that the KPI indicator or the KPI color should be based on. So our table visual is based on the sales. So I am basically indicating the KPI based on sales. So that's the reason I would go here and select the total sales, that is nothing but the revenue over here. So here we have now got an option of creating various conditions. So on understanding my data, I find that 200 is a benchmark of the minimal sales for me. So I would indicate minimal sales as 200 and moderate sales till 600, and any sales which is above 600 would be green. So anything between 200 and 600 would be amber. So anything till 200 would be red. Okay, so let us go ahead and do that. So this is nothing but greater than 0, the minimum value. Let us change this to number. So anything between 0 and less than or equal to 200. This should also be a number. Make a note of it. This should be red. Let me take deep breath. Not that much. It's like brown, right? Let us take a deeper red. Yeah, that's it. So let us add another rule. That is nothing but 200 to 600. So let me change into number. So greater than 200 till 600. Let me change this to amber. Let us take dark yellow or amber. Let us add another rule. Anything which is greater than 600 and above. Let us change this to number. Let us make this somewhere like 8 million or 9 million and so on. Let us change this to dark green. Perfect. So now let us go ahead and click on OK. That's it. So now let us go ahead and change this to center aligned. So let us go to format over here. Let us go to specific column. Our column is KPI light indicator. Let us change it to KPI light indicator and make it center aligned. So that's it. So go ahead and try this, guys. Please to watch the entire video and make sure that you subscribe so that you do not miss me in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Happy analyzing, guys, and take care.